2022 Jeep Gladiator. Beautiful truck. V6. As you guys can see, there's a lot to come to it. It's only got 5,000 miles on it. He's going to put a winch. He's going to put a lift. He's going to bigger tires, bigger wheels. A lot of things. So the first thing he started with was we cut that off and the rest of it over there. And we put a BORLA system that he brought. Anyways, this is Jeep's way of equalizing back pressure. As you guys can see, look at that bend. Crazy design to make up for this far of a distance on this side, as you guys can see. Look at that, there. And then it wise into a single there. And then we took the resonator that was on here and put a BORLA S-type system there. Then there's a BORLA muffler there. It's all bolt-on, as you guys can see. And we always tack them just in case so they don't loosen back out, especially on Jeeps and stuff, because they go off-roading. And then it goes over the rear axle and out the back, dumped right there to complete the look, as you guys can see right there. Just came out really nice, really clean. There's the old system that was on it. There's the muffler. There's the maybe resonator. We took all that and we showed you that other resonator right there that I showed you at the start. And that's what it looks like after. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell or Jared will be upset. There's the part number right there for it. It's clean. That's a clean sound. Give it gas. It's not too overbearing, it's just clean. As you guys can hear it. Again. Go ahead and back it out. I like it. It's not too bad. Not bad at all. Jeep Gladiator. Let you guys hear on the inside. Enjoy, guys. Not bad. It's got a little pep in its step.